Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my super easy and delicious green chile picadillo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by roasting 3 hatch or Anaheim peppers. Once our chiles are nice and roasted all around, we're going to transfer them to a plastic bag. And we're just going to allow them to sweat. And while we wait, we're going to prepare our tomatoes. To our saucepan, we're going to be adding 1 tomato, 5 tomatillos, and chile jalapeños or serranos, depending on how spicy you want it. It depends on how many you're going to use. Now we're just going to cover them with water, set it on high heat, and bring them to a boil. Once the tomatillos come to a full boil, we're going to turn it off and transfer it all to our blender cup. Okay, at this point, our chiles should be ready, so we're going to remove them from the plastic bag so we can get ready to peel them. We're just going to remove the stem, and one of them we're going to transfer to the blender cup. Okay, so now just cut it open, remove the seeds, cut it into strips, and then into smaller pieces. Okay, so now we're just going to set our chopped peppers to the side so we can get ready to make our salsa. Okay, to a blender cup, we're also going to add 1 garlic clove, 1/4 of an onion, a handful of cilantro, a little bit of salt, and 1/4 of a cup of water. Now blend until smooth. Okay, and once we have our salsa, we can get ready to take it back to the stove. Okay, to our pan over high heat, we're going to add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add 1/4 of an onion. And we're going to saute it for a couple minutes. 2 minutes, we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. And we're going to season with 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, oregano, and onion powder. Now just break it down and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 2 medium small diced potatoes. And we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can remove any grease from your meat. And now we're just going to add our chopped chiles. Now just mix it in. Here we're going to add our salsa. Mix it and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a full simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so after 12 minutes, our delicious picadillo should be done. Of course, we're going to check our potatoes to make sure that they're fully cooked. And they are done. So just like that, we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, it's fast, and the best part is, it's on a budget. So I am so ready, you can always, serve them with sopita de fideo, rice, beans, or just however, stuff them in a gordita, burrito, however. But I already got my tortillas here, so I am so ready. And you can always make it spicy if you want, like I mentioned. The chile serranos is what's going to help you with that. But hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. Can never go wrong with picadillo. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious green chile picadillo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you really get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.